All right guys, we're back in the lab with NuLife Kicks, and this is a quick video on how to mix the NuIce. Once you open your box, you will have two measuring cups, one 8-ounce and one 30-milliliter cup, a wooden craft spoon. All you're gonna do is pour your prepackaged NuIce into this measuring cup, and then you're gonna pour 10 milliliters of water into this cup. Please be as accurate as you possibly can. Mix it up thoroughly. Make sure that the consistency is nice and whipped. Should be something more like sour cream or whipped cream. It should not look like cottage cheese. As you can see, this is not the Salon Care 40 that you guys are used to. This is the NuIce. Yeah, you see that? Nice and smooth. Allowing the solution to sit for 15 minutes gives the solution enough time to cure. This is very important in the preparation of the NuIce, especially if you want consistent results. So you can see it's thickened up a little bit. It's not falling off of the popsicle stick or off of the wooden craft spoon. You can see that it's a little thicker. This is where we're gonna add a little bit of water. Two and a half mils is all that you need. And you want to mix it up again. Consistency is perfect. For applying, you should be able to ice 1 to 2 pairs with this solution. But now it is ready to apply on your soles. Real simple, real easy. Tag us in your results, your before and afters. We would love to see them. Let us know what your thoughts are and how we can improve this product to make it more efficient for you guys. Greatly appreciate you. Evolve the way that you maintain your kids. Peace.